Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, or if it's your first time here, then welcome. If you find the content useful, please like and subscribe. Today we are going to be talking about our recent trip to Cefalu, Sicily. Cefalù, a charming coastal town nestled on Sicily's northern coast, embodies a captivating blend of history, natural beauty, and Mediterranean charm. At its heart lies the imposing Cathedral of Cefalù, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning Norman architecture. The cathedral's intricate mosaics, dating back to the 12th century, depict biblical scenes and are considered among the finest examples of Byzantine-influenced art in Italy. Beyond its historical treasures, Cefalù boasts a picturesque harbor lined with colorful fishing boats and inviting cafes. Narrow medieval streets wind through the town, leading visitors to delightful boutiques, artisan shops, and traditional Sicilian eateries offering delectable seafood dishes and local specialties like arancini and cannoli. The town is framed by natural beauty, with the rugged Madoni Mountains providing a dramatic backdrop and offering opportunities for hiking and exploration. Cefalu's sandy beaches are another highlight, attracting sun-seekers and swimmers during the summer months. Whether strolling along the promenade, exploring ancient ruins, or simply relaxing on the beach, Cefalù captivates visitors with its timeless allure and Mediterranean ambiance, making it a beloved destination for travelers seeking history, culture, and natural splendor on the island of Sicily. While we visited this beautiful city, we stayed at the Calette Hotel. The Calette Hotel is a luxurious and highly acclaimed establishment located in Cefalu, Sicily, renowned for its stunning setting, impeccable service, and serene atmosphere. Situated amidst lush Mediterranean gardens overlooking the crystal-clear waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea, the Calette offers a unique blend of modern comfort and traditional Sicilian charm. The hotel features elegantly appointed rooms and suites, many with private balconies or terraces offering breathtaking views of the sea or the hotel's gardens. Guests at Le Calette can indulge in a range of amenities designed to enhance their stay, including a tranquil outdoor swimming pool surrounded by sun loungers and umbrellas, perfect for relaxation under the Sicilian sun. The hotel also boasts direct access to a private beach, where guests can enjoy the sea in a secluded and serene environment. Culinary delights await at Le Calette's restaurant, which showcases Sicilian cuisine with an emphasis on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The dining experience is complemented by a selection of fine wines from the region. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the hotel offers a wellness center with a spa, sauna, and massage services, providing a perfect retreat after a day of exploring Cefalu's historic streets or the nearby natural wonders of the Madoni Mountains. Whether for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a special event, Le Calette Hotel promises a luxurious and unforgettable experience in one of Sicily's most enchanting destinations. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and consider watching our other videos.